Bon après-midi les amis. Welcome to my channel, Master French with Vidyanshu. Today we are going to learn about the greetings in French. In French, the greetings are called les salutations. How do I greet you in French is I said. How did I greet you in French? I said bon après-midi. This one. Bon après-midi les amis. So we will start here. Les salutations en français. The first one is bonjour. This is bonjour. This is bon après midi. This is bonsoir. This is bonsoir. This is bonne nuit. In English, we say bon jour. Bon jour. Bon après midi. Bon soir. Bon soirée. Bon nuit. This is how we pronounce in English. So what is the meaning of these phrases? Greetings. Bonjour means hello or hi or good morning in French. Bonjour means have a nice day. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. Bonsoir means good evening. Bonsoir means have a nice evening. Bonne nuit means good night. This is how we do the pronunciation. Bonjour, bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonsoir, bonne nuit. Once again, bonjour, bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonsoir, bonne nuit. First of all, we will take a difference. We will understand the difference between bonjour, bonsoir, and jouk and joukne and soir and soirée. These two means they are talking about something specific, a point in time. And these two are written when we talk about something like a duration or length or activities or experiences of a specific day or evening. Same is the case with en versus année. Both of these mean a year. This talks about a specific year and this talks about a point in time in the year. So we will take some examples. For jouk, lundi et Juk de travail. Monday is a day of work. Travail means work. It is a verb. Travailler. Second, we will take up swak. No, first we will take up an example from Jukne. So, boy Jukne can be taken as an example, which means have a nice day, any specific day. Swak, I work this evening. Yeah, I am working this evening. Similarly for soiree, what a lovely evening. Well means lovely is pronounced as well. So this is a point of difference which I wanted to discuss. Now we will move on to the next segment of the pronunciations with respect to the greetings, common greetings in French. So this is pronounced as a, s, swak. In English, a, s, swak. A, dama, a, the, ma. With this is the nasal sound. Adama, a, biento, a, biento, a, tu, ta, lek, a, tu, ta, lek. A, tu, liaison rule will be applied here. Ta and liaison rule will be applied here. Lek. So how we will say a tooth, lek. Au revoir. This is how we say in pronunciation. Au revoir. Au revoir. Merci and merci beaucoup. Merci and merci beaucoup. Bienvenue. And here we say so these are the pronunciations. Je vous j'en prie. You are welcome or it is okay. These are very common greetings in French. You are welcome in French is also said in another way. De rien. Again, the nasal sound. S'il vous plaît. X. Wait a second. Excusez-moi. In English, we will say excusez-moi. Désolé. Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. And ça va dire. Ça va dire. Ça va dire. This is how we pronounce in French. I'll take you to the meanings. This is said as asaswak. See you this evening. How do we say see you tomorrow? We say adama. Now you see a particular common thing in all of these. It starts with a. A means see you. Here also, in this also, see you soon, see you in a while. Wherever you see a in a phrase, it will probably mean see you. So asaswak means see you this evening, see you tomorrow means adama, see you soon means abiento, see you in a while means atutalek. Oravak, bye or goodbye. In all my videos, I try to say oravak. Thank you means merci. Thank you very much means merci beaucoup. Then welcome means bienvenue. You are welcome means je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Here we will apply the liaison rule. You are welcome again. De rien. Both are correct. It is okay is also je vous en prie. Then please, s'il vous plaît. Excusez me. Excuse me is excusez-moi. Moi is a pronoun. Later on we will discuss about this. Sorry means désolé. I don't know means je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas means in French means ça veut dire. Now we will come. We've already discussed this table. We don't have to discuss it. How to address a person in French. This is what this vocabulary is all about. Monsieur means Mr. or Sir. It is pronounced, pronunciation we will do later. Monsieur means Misters or Sirs. Madame means Miss. Madam or Mrs. Mesdames means madams or ladies. Mademoiselle. How do we pronounce it? Mademoiselle. I'll jot down the Hindi pronunciation as well as English pronunciations here. Don't need to worry about it. This means an unmarried girl. This has become uncommon in French. Rarely anyone uses it. So, how do we pronounce it? We say mo siuk. Here we say me siuk. Here we say madame. And this is madame. This one is mad moi gel. Mademoiselle Gel or mademoiselle. In English, we say monsieur, messieurs, madame, mesdames, and in the end, only one is left, mademoiselle, mademoiselle. So how do we say monsieur, messieurs, madame, mesdames, mademoiselle? Once again, monsieur, messieurs, madame, mesdames, mademoiselle. Therefore, we have discussed most of the common greetings in French and some of the vocabulary which is used for the purpose of addressing someone. That's it for today's lecture. If you found this video helpful, kindly like the video and please share it with your friends. And do subscribe to my channel, Master French with Vidyanshu.